Everybody, it is JNC here, and today we have the Hot Wheels Waterslide.
Look at this baby.
So we have the hose hooked up here on the gymnastics mat. Like, you guys are probably tired of this, but whatever.
Yeah.
We have the hose going down. We have the Traxxas guides. This actually is really cool.
Yeah.
Like, we really enjoy this.
Nice little river.
Caleb likes to, he always kind of does this so you can see how fast it's going.
Not as fast as I would prefer, but
And then it goes down past the podium, the ref and big boy, and it goes into this box. It's cardboard. So, like, let's just say, yeah, we've kind of already had to, it's kind of been a little tricky. But it is what it is. The cars are going to struggle for first this episode.
yeah, here's a storm coming in
Storm
soon.
coming in, that's
Hopefully
why-
it doesn't start when we're filming.
Yeah,
but
that's why we're going quick. So here is our groups. There you go. We have Albino, who got third last episode, Cobra, who got second, and then Big Rig, who got first.
Yep, so those are the groups: Off-Road, Electro, Aqua, Albino, Dragster, Big Rig, Red Police, Hook, Cobra, Utopia, Yellow Jacket, and Shadow, Liftoff, Joker, Burnout, and Hot Rod. There you go. Those are our 16 cars.
Yep.
Let's just get right into it.
Let's go. I'm putting the cars down today, so here we go. I'll start off with group one. We have Off-Road starting us off. Typical two eliminate two.
It's kind of funny because like the hot tub video is a fail, and we're next. Like
Yeah.
it's kind of open, ready for this video.
Here we go. Off-Road.
Splash.
Splash.
Kind of just in there.
Electro coming down next.
Ooh, he's maybe ahead. It's hard to tell.
Aqua. This is his type of course.
Nope.
And then
He pushes them both ahead, but I think they're both tied again.
And then Albino.
Splash. So that's pretty easy. That's Electro and
Yes.
Off-Road.
Electro
Moving
and
on.
Off-Road, and then Albino and Aqua are eliminated.
I feel like we always say this is his type of course, and then he never does good.
Nope. That's Aqua for you.
I'm wondering if this is like gonna like burst open, guys. 'Cause it's starting to move. Like if we didn't put this tape there, it would have been gone by
Cold
now.
water feels nice because it's about 90 degrees out here.
9 degrees, like felt like 100 earlier. so.
90, yep. Dragster starting off group two.
All right, not a great run to start us off.
Big Rig, last episode's winner. He's won gotten on podium twice in a row,
Twice in a
right?
row.
Big Rig.
Boom! He rolls a little bit ahead of Dragster.
Wow. Red Police coming up next. He was not in last episode.
See how he does. Here he comes.
He looks fast.
Oh, he is ahead of Dragster.
Wow.
Behind Big Rig though.
Hook. Let's see what'll happen.
Oh, oh! Not enough though. That's Big Rig and Red Police.
Big Rig and Red Police, while Hook and Dragster
Do not make it.
do not make it. Wow.
So we're still moving without any
No issues yet.
no issues yet. Maybe not the most interesting course, but guys, you know, I think you still rather us get 2 videos a week than
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, not the last one was like that can count as 2 episodes. It was great. So
Yeah. So, here's our next group, a very good group. Oh, Cobra, Utopia, Yellow Jacket, and Shadow.
3 shining stars and then Cobra.
Cobra got second last time. He's still looking for that first win. Let's see.
Ooh, not a great run. Splash.
That's actually how he got into this episode, because he got podium last episode. Utopia.
A lot of speed coming down. Oh, he's behind Cobra.
Wow. Yellow Jacket.
Pushes Cobra ahead. Cobra is still ahead of both.
And then Shadow. Whoa!
Gets stuck
Shadow
in the
glitched.
Oh, he goes ahead and he's with Cobra there.
Wow,
That's
look at
pretty
that.
easy.
All these have been pretty easy so
Has
far.
Cobra missed it a piece on the bottom?
Uh-oh.
I think he is.
Whoa, Cobra!
Little injury.
Hopefully he does not do a storm.
But we are, this is definitely filling up more than it had.
Uh-oh.
I think we're getting close to the end.
Yeah. Last group here, we got, oh jeez, it is really collapsing. Liftoff, Joker, Burnout, and Hot Rod.
I have a feeling that after this group, we might have to quickly tape up another spot to kind of save it, but we'll see here. Liftoff, not great either. We had a long box because we thought they'd go further, but
Yeah.
it's starting to rain.
Joker.
Behind Liftoff. Liftoff is beat up on the bottom. I didn't realize that.
Burnout.
Right on top of Joker, and he
Wow.
slides up.
And then Hot Rod.
Oh! Oh,
pretty
what a
good.
run.
Oh, wow. Great run.
Hot Rod and Burnout will advance.
Another easy one. Hot Rod and Burnout advance.
That storm is moving in here.
Lift off and Joker. We have a big storm tonight. Luckily not a tornado. Throwback to 2019 Car Olympics episode 6. Watch it. It's a great episode.
Amazing episode. One of the
Probably
funniest.
our favorites.
Yeah. This one could probably jump up there if this thing explodes.
All right, semifinals here. We have
jump in.
off-road.
Just jump right in.
Off-road electro, big rig, red police. Off-road. To go to the
Boom, boom,
podium
boom, boom.
round.
Oh, okay.
Electro.
We're getting some extra water from the rain. Whoa, that's an, oh! He is standing up.
Wow.
I can't really get a good angle without putting this underwater, which I don't want to. But he is on his...
Whoa, it's starting to rain.
Oh, yeah. Wouldn't be a JNC episode without
Big
it.
rig.
Whoa. Oh, he knocks Electro down.
And red police. Oh, jeez.
He makes it in the next round, and Electro gets
Whoa.
into the bulge.
Red police and electro. We got to get out of here.
Whoa!
All right. Let's go under here.
So there we go.
We have electro and red police advancing. How wet is the phone?
It's chilling.
Not too bad.
Quick-paced episode, guys.
Yep. And then we have Big Rig and Off-Road who got eliminated.
So Big Rig not keeping up that podium streak.
Nope.
This is going to be an amazing podium. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that. Next up here we have, it's starting to calm down for a second. We have Cobra, Shadow, Burnout, and Hot Rod.
A lot of water in this video. I have the hot tub, the hose, this big bucket, and then rain.
Cobra.
Whoa. Nope. The splash is right in. That's going to be terrible.
Shadow.
Oh, he's behind Cobra. That's a surprise.
Burnout.
Behind Cobra again.
Whoa, it's coming down. And Hot Rod.
Whoa, Hot Rod passes Cobra. It's both Hot Rod and Cobra.
Wow. All right, come in here for a second. Come in here.
Woo!
We don't want the video to get super blurry for you guys from all the water on there.
The water's not hitting the camera, which is good.
Oh, that's good. Look at that.
It is coming down, JNC style.
We might have to wait, and we'll resume when this kind of calms down a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Ah! All right. Here we go. Oh, you're filming. We got Hot Rod and Cobra advancing, Burnout and Shadow not.
So the rain, it didn't really calm down, but we realized that thing's probably going to collapse if we wait any longer. So
So how about that podium round?
Cobra could get his first win today in a while.
All right, here we go. Red Police, Electro, Cobra, and Hot Rod. Come on, Cobra, for all the fans. Starting us off is Red Police.
Here he goes. Splash. Not a great run.
Electro, one of the best ever. Used to be the GOAT, not anymore.
Oh. Oh, he
Yeah.
passes Red Police.
What?
He passes him.
Wow, Cobra.
Can this be
Is
the
it the day for Cobra? Let's see.
Oh, he's in second. Could get bumped up.
He could get bumped. It comes down to Hot Rod. Let's see.
Here we go. Cobra gets bumped.
Oh,
Is it enough? Might have to do a race off.
oh my gosh. Cobra.
Cobra versus Electro. Down
Cobra
to
versus
a
Electro
2020
race-off.
a 2024.
Winter Invitational.
Can Cobra get the revenge? Oh my gosh, this is coming in.
All right.
Can
Red-
Cobra get his first win in 6 years?
and retire. Hot Rod is got fourth. Red Police third.
Cobra will retire if he wins. There's
Oh,
Red Police
that's a little hard to do here.
entering the podium right there.
All right, the race off. Electro, Cobra. We'll start off with Electro. He went first the first time. Electro.
Electro. Oh, that's a really good run.
Is it? All right. Cobra for his first win in 6 years.
Oh. Ah! He's done it.
Wow.
He's done it.
Wow.
Cobra has done it on this day.
Cobra.
He can retire.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
What a
Cobra.
course for Cobra to do it on.
That is insane.
This is your confirming photo.
There it is.
Yep, that is Cobra.
Cobra.
On
What
top
a day.
for the first time in over 6 years.
What?
All right, the raindrop must have ended it or something.
Yeah, a
but-
raindrop must have ended it, but we still caught everything on video. Third place, Red Police. Second place, Electro. And first place after 6 years, Cobra!
He's back on top.
He is back on top once and for all. Here we go. Let's get a nice.
Look who's on. Look who he's beat.
There we go. Screenshot that.
Woo.
Screenshot that. Whoever's watching.
Nice little wallpaper.
Unbelievable. He got revenge over Electro. It is so hard to compete with all these great young racers, and the fact that Cobra did it is insane.
And remember, this is 2 straight podium finishes for Cobra, second and then first.
Right.
So
what you have to remember is, me and Caleb most likely would have not put him in this video if he hadn't gotten podium in the last one, because he's been in like the past 4.
yeah,
So we were probably gonna be like, all right, time to take Cobra out, but because he got podium in last episode, he made it. Thank you, Cobra. Thank you for your win, and with that, you can retire happily.
happily retired. First place for Cobra. You know, he could be in the next episode since he won, but I think he would rather just retire on top.
Yeah, I think he would just come out on top. And what a great podium as well.
What a great podium. What a great video, guys. The rain's kind of calming down a bit. We can kind of just see what happens if I remove this tape. I don't think anything's going to happen, but... And there we go. Yep. Didn't burst open, but it pretty much did.
Yeah.
So,
wow.
With that is your video, guys. Cobra has done it on this crazy day.
A crazy ending. A crazy day. We don't even know what's going on.
It was worth the 6-year wait, though.
It was. It was worth the 6-year wait.
So with that, we're JNC, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Goodbye.